Lesson 1 of Volume 2, Transcription Quiz. Dear Mr. Gold, I am very glad you found a lamp that you like well enough to purchase as a gift for a good friend when you were in our store last month, period. I am, of course, very sorry that the lamp did not work satisfactorily when you returned home, period. The fault is entirely ours, period. We should have checked it carefully before we sold it to you, period. We usually make inspections like this as matter of routine, period. This time, we failed to do so, paragraph. You may have the lamp repaired, and we will reimburse you for the bill, period. You may mail the lamp back to us for repair or for a refund if you prefer, paragraph. We will be very happy to take care of the matter immediately when we hear from you, period. Sincerely yours.